with a lot of interesting weather going on to the west. Record-breaking heat. I mean, we had temps 90s well up into North Dakota today, Montana. And what's interesting, on the edge of this heat wave, we had severe thunderstorms actually around Seattle, Washington. We had one person injured from a falling tree near Seattle, and we've had severe thunderstorms rolling through Idaho and northern Montana. So it's kind of that ring of fire pattern. Everything's kind of moving up and around this big heat wave. And the heat wave's moving eastward. Now, the worst of it's going to be here, Iowa, Nebraska. Tomorrow, it could be 97 at Omaha, 95 at Des Moines, but we're still going to get in on some pretty warm weather. We're talking a lot of 80s tomorrow and Wednesday, with winds gusting from the south up to 38 miles an hour. Now, there will be a few scattered storms from time to time Wednesday right through Saturday, but coverage is only going to run about 30% each day. I think widespread storms and a severe weather threat will evolve by Sunday evening, however, and between Wednesday and Sunday, about 1 to 3 inches of rain, though I think a good chunk of that rain will probably be Sunday evening and Sunday night. So after 50s tomorrow morning, we're going to be in the 80s for most of the viewing area tomorrow afternoon. 83 Lafayette, 84 Fowler, 85 Morocco, 84 Pine Village. It is a dry warmth or heat, if you will, tomorrow, so the field's drying out very rapidly for area farmers. Wednesday, a little bit more humidity, dew points up into the 60s, so it's going to feel a little juicy. 87 Covington, 86 at Romney, 85 Lafayette, and an 85 from Burlington to Logansport. Notice on our high-res futurecast, there's the warm front coming through tonight with some high and mid-level clouds. That gets through here. Then we're sunny tomorrow. This is about 1 in the afternoon. There's towards the evenings. Skies mainly sunny, but tomorrow night a few clouds come in, so becoming partly cloudy. Now, this is Wednesday, partly cloudy skies, pretty hot, warm if not hot. And then I think as a front sinks in from the north during the afternoon, I think there will be a few scattered storms that will pop. Now, this data has a lot of the storms staying just south of here, but I think about 30% coverage will do it. Not everybody's going to get it, but a few little scattered storms will pop. So, Wednesday through Saturday, a few periodic spotty to scattered storms. I think right now it looks like the best chance of an isolated severe storm would be Friday, with the main organized severe threat with even tornadoes staying to the west. So this is the setup. Right over those few days, a front kind of stalled just to our north and kind of wobbling back and forth. A few storms along that, but all the jet energy and the main cold front will stay to the west. So multiple rounds of widespread severe weather in the plains. But once we get into late Sunday and Sunday night, the main storm system comes through, and that's when we need to watch our severe weather threat. And before this hits, late Sunday into Sunday night, Sunday's going to be a downright hot day, 85 to 90, dew points upper 60s, and a lot of wind from the south as well. 7-day forecast, a few scattered storms again Wednesday through Saturday. Highs 85 Wednesday and then near 80 Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But Sunday it is windy and hot with 88 with severe weather late in the day. And then, boy, after that, we'll cool off, and we could have several days below normal once we get into next week. 69 Monday and probably around 68 on Tuesday with overnight lows in the 40s. It looks like a lot of dry weather next week. We may get through the entire week with no rain at all next week.
Well, I know not everybody loves the heat, but I mean, we haven't seen it in a long time, so it'd be nice having one good week of it. All right, well, the Pacers are looking good this weekend. It was the Bulls' turn to see if they could